So hello, uh, just two people. It's I want to the more friendly because just you. So hello, my name is Takaaki Sugiyama. Thank you for joining my talk. Uh, Today, I will share the story of Japan Java user group. It's a Japanese Java user group, uh, and our tips on how to grow up our the community and conference. So the title is Building a Community for Developer to Connect. So I hope enjoy it. So firstly, who am I? My name is Takaaki Sugiyama. I'm a developer, of course, and I am a board member of Japan Java User Group. Uh, I also help run our conference named JJAG CCC. I have been active in Java community for a long time, many years. I like connecting developer and the supporting events. So Japan Java user group called JJAG, JJAG, we have experience for 18 years. Uh, we have more than 13,000 members, and we have run many events like of 36 conference already, and we had the 20. I'm sorry, so 250 meetups, seminar. Uh, JJAG help developer grow and learn and stay motivated in Japan. So today's talk, I want to start from community matters. So why are community important? So I think you already know because you already joined this conference. So first, we can learn fast and share knowledge each other developers. And second, we can connect to other developer and companies and the different level developers. And third, the uh, beginners and expert grow together in these conferences, face to face. I'm sorry. And finally, the uh, these the different people's ideas bring innovation. So tech community gives these things uh, and in advance, I have to explain about Japanese IT engineer environment because it was a little bit different and I think completely different from Taiwanese engineers environment. And so in Japan, uh, many people find job immediately after graduation, of course, but the company hunt student during third or fourth grade and train from zero. From zero. So it's if we study the IT technologies in college or university, but many companies train from zero. So many people stay in one company for a long time. Of course, the experienced engineer are often change the company and the environment, but this is Japanese common culture. So this culture has some challenges. Uh, it narrows technology vision, so focus on their companies and their tasks, and it create the information gap level to level, and the companies, and the developer. So and the limited networking is the huge chances. So grow up over the make the connection and uh, learn about the another technologies. As a result, so innovation is will be limited. So this is why the tech community matters more and more. So this is why uh, we come in. So I want to explain about the what is Java user group. So maybe you already know. So but Java user group is actually so this is the official user group of Java Tech for Java engineers, uh, known as JAGs. So Taiwan JAG, TW JAG is also of JAG, one of the JAG, but there are a lot of global JAG in all over the world. So there are about 340 JAGs and uh, almost 300 active groups all over the world. So in Japan, Japanese Java user group, it's called JJAG, is the first JAG of Japan. We established at 2007, but Taiwan JAG established at 2006. So that's wonderful. So because we have 18 years experience, but the Taiwan JAG more experience of us. Our member, currently our member uh, of number, number of members, 30,000 members in this month. Active member is about, I think, 2005. And our main activity is the support Java community in Japan, the another community in Japan, and the operate some the events, the conference or the meetups, and exchange with global communities like the uh, United States communities and Brazil communities and of course the Taiwanese communities. So another JAG in Japan, there are some JAGs ex except JJAG. So Kansai Java Engineer Group called CanJava. It's the uh, west area of Japan. And Javado is Hokkaido Java user group. Hokkaido is north area, north island of Japan. And the Java, Japan Java woman group called Javajo. It's a girl group for Java engineers. And JJAG support these communities for by sending speakers to their meetups and the cost support, for example, transportation cost and the venue cost and something. Sometimes we have joint event with these other communities. So JJAG's main activity is night seminar. Night seminar is a meetup. We have monthly meetups in mainly in Tokyo, but sometimes online. This night seminar style, the speakers are selected by uh, nomination. So we choose the speaker. And normally our nice seminar, we have attendees 30 to 100 people, but sometimes more. The maximum, I think, 200 people. So our session is in Japanese, mainly in Japanese, but sometimes in English. And the cost is free. And of course, we enjoy pizza and beer after that. It's very important to connect, to make the network. So another activity is JJAG CCC. This is CCC means a cross community conference. So we connect community to community. This is a one-day conference held in Tokyo. So twice a year. So spring and the fall. So we have 8 tracks and over 45 sessions. So we have twice a year. It means we have over almost 100 sessions in a year. The attendees, recently 800 people. And of course, our session in Japanese and some session in English. And attendee cost attendee fee is free. So this is a photo of CCC session, the panel talk and the session, and this is the group work or the roundtable discussion. And this is sponsor booth. So this is CCC after party to make the connection network. This is sushi, the catering sushi with chef, and of course beer. This is very important for us because we want to make the network developer and developer. So this time is very important. And another activity, J Onsen. So onsen means hot spring. So J Onsen, I know the onsen, it's same, we use the same kanji in Japanese and in Chinese. I don't know the how pronunciation. So this kanji, wenchen, wenchen. So J wenchen. So J onsen is unconference. Stay at the ryokan. Ryokan means traditional style inn, and for 3 days. So we have discussed with another Java engineers from Japan and abroad, and enjoy, of course, hot spring. It's very important. So I love hot spring. So I know you have hot spring near Taipei. Peitou, Peitou, Peitou. So I have to try. And of course, we enjoy some activities, another activities. So Java champions, do you know Java champion? So Java champion system. Okay, so Java champion and another expert from overseas. Our rule on J Onsen is we can use English only, no Japanese for discussion. So what's an unconference? Do you know unconference? No. So unconference is a participant-driven style conference. So normal conference is the seminar style. Speaker, I am speaker, and you are attendees. But unconference, there are no timetable, no timetable session slot, and there are the strict the session style and no main speakers. Uh, Anyone can talk, anyone can ask, anyone can mm, the, respond they ask. So topic are chosen at on the day. So before a conference, there are no topics. So we can choose the topics on the day. So it is very flexible and the informal atmosphere. So we can talk freely. This is J Onsen conference photo. So we choose the topics and the discussion like roundtable. So we also enjoy the another activities, the hiking and of course drinking and the karaoke. So okay, I'll show the JJAG journey. So we have uh, over 10,000 member, and we have active member, still active. Uh, Over 2,000 people are still active in JJAG. So this is the number of CCC, it's our conference attendees. So we started, no. Here, it's 2013, uh, only 300 people. So we grow up, grow up, grow up. 1,000 is our venue's capacity. So we we succeed, grow up the maximum number of the capacity. And so how we grow? So the most important things for us, we have some event in regularly and frequency. So we have monthly night seminar and the big conference twice in a year. It's very busy. So stuff is very packed. But it's very important if no matter how busy, no matter how few participants, so we never stopped this cycle. So by doing so, we can provide continuous learning opportunity to developers and the people looking for the next event. So if I can't attend this event, but let's go next event. This is very important. And this style, the four speakers, increase speaking opportunity will uh, this style in this style. So and we build a good relationship with sponsors because our conference is attendee fee is free. So the sponsor is very important, of course. But we tell our sponsors, I tell the sponsors, uh, the JJAG sponsorship is not for product commercial. promotion, but for finding value in supporting community itself. So if your company support our communities, it's a corporate value. So they can show the engineers. So my companies think about the engineers strictly. So so some attendees in JJAG CCC can choose the company to work after that. So we can change a job, change a company, and we can choose the company to work in CCC. And we also support the beginner speakers. We have the special slot for beginners. So our session is the call for proposal. So they submit their proposal and we choose the sessions, but we have the special slot for beginners and the first time beginners. So they don't need to compete with the experienced speakers. And we have the mentoring system for mentoring program for beginner speakers by experienced speakers. So we review the proposal and we review the presentation and we review their session and feedback then. So this is very important because the new voice bring us and new idea and new innovation. So we also expect the participant mindset to change. Oh, I can speak. They think it's success. They think I can speak and I can grow up their presentation skill in this conference. So this is important. And also, we have to find the next generation of speakers, and we want to find the next leaders of our communities. And we also focused building global connections to invite the speakers and the invite the added the English sessions and some invite the Java champions, some expert from abroad. Some Taiwanese people, Taiwanese speakers also have session in JJAG CCC. And since 2023, so we became a member of the JCP Executive Committee. So do you know JCP Ishii? No? So JCP, Java Community Process, is an official process of standardized Java specification. So currently, the OpenJDK project is decided to the change of Java specification, but officially, the new specification, the new specification release still require approval from the JCP process. And the EC of JCP, they bought the approval final release. So if they don't approve the specification, the OpenJDK project can't release the new version of Java. So EC member elected by the JCP members. So you can register the JCP members yourself on this site, and you can vote to select to vote for the election of JCP EC. And it means the JJAG is now EC executive committee. So JJAG is directly involved in the development of Java specifications. So next election is next November. We will nominate again, and so if you are interested in the JCP process, so please register the JCP member. And behind these growing, we had some challenges, some problem. The growth bring more work and more tasks. This year, CCC has over 600 attendees, but that time we had only 15 staff. So we decided to recruit volunteer staff for CCC. So we also wanted to give you more people the opportunity to commit as staff. And we want to run this event with each other. So now we have over 50 people, 50 volunteers each CCC. Again, twice in years. So many people, many volunteers continue each CCC, and someone became organizers. The volunteer staff work for only one day, but organizers work, I think, whenever, because we have a lot of events. And the volunteers help improve every event quality. So these are volunteer staff. So JCConf has also many volunteer staff like them, and I appreciate. Thank you. So in this time, the number of events is increasing. So we have 2 or 3 or 4 events in every month. So that means every week. A seminar and hands-on and seminar and conference and very packed. So we decide to separate the team, the CCC JJAG operation team and the CCC organized team. And another solution, the outsource the administrative tasks to professional. So of course, the bottleneck is the cost, but we believe that if we improve the event quality, so we can attract more sponsors. So it succeeds. As a result, the staff can now focus on their tasks. Okay. Once we had organized and grow up successfully, but pandemic arrived. At that time, when COVID came, so we had to move our event to online. I think JCConf is also no. Uh, our mission was to keep up community connections, no matter what. So we had to learn streaming technologies, and we had to explore um, new interaction method online, not offline, online. And the speaker had to learn video editing skill. So we have to learn the new skill or new technology to organize the conference. Uh, at that time, this is the style of JJAG CCC online. So we have uh, video streaming and live QA online. So video streaming, so we want to avoid the network trouble. So uh, this is not live. It's the recorded video. And after that, we have the live session for 50 minutes. So we want to make the real-time communication with the speaker and the attendees. This is our style. This is we tried online booth using the virtual office solution, virtual office service. People can walk around here and click here the sponsor booth, and the video chat start with the one-on-one video chat or the online session for booth. Okay, so this is the backstage of the CCC Online. So this is the like studio. So we have stream from this the booth, and the speaker connect from their home. This is just only start. This is a booth, and we have to check the network connection. So at that time, we try to bring offline energy to online. We want to bring the atmosphere of offline, but it was very difficult, you know. We need natural interactions, and the speaker want to see the reaction directly from audience. And it's difficult to make the casual talk in online. So finally, it was hard to keep our motivation. So therefore, we think that we really wanted to provide, we rethink. So we don't only want to share contents. So we don't just want to have the seminar. We want to provide a community, not seminar. We want to have the communications, not talk, speak to just contents. So we want face-to-face conversation like this. So internet technology is helped us, but the physical space is more special for us. So we decided to return to the offline event. So our first priority is, so we truly want to provide, this is the most important. So because that is our motivation. So I don't know the another people how to think about this decision, but for us, our motivation, our we have to keep the motivation to provide the community. So we have to back to the offline event. So even though we understand the need for the online event, so we have to consider about the online session, of course, and the hybrid event, and the video streaming and something to online. But so we will continue to explore a possibility such online activities. But nowadays, so we just concentrate to the offline uh, conference. So we also have another challenges. So we want to grow the conference more and more and more because we have just recently we have 800 attendees our conference, but the capacity is 1,000. It's the behind, and we want to grow up more. So for that, uh, we need to find the bigger venue. Uh, that's the more high cost, and so we have to find more sponsors. And of course, we also need a new speaker and the better the, uh, the presentation skill. So we also need a stronger global presence. In the future, I want to host international conference in Japan, like Devox. Do you know Devox? It's a big conference on Europe, and of course, like the Java One. So in Japan, we had Java One 3 or 4 times, but it's Oracle event. But I want to invite these big conference to Japan by ourselves. So this, if we want to hold this paid event, we have to learn about the new know-how because currently CCC is free. But if we have paid event, we know how to uh, uh, sell our ticket. So I think maybe we should ask the CCC JCCon staff. This is a paid event, so uh, they uh, we ask them share their secret recipe for paid event. I don't know. Finding a non-profit organization. So for these challenges, we founded a new NPO this year. Uh, it called Cross Community Conference Association, called CCCA. Uh, we avoid use the keyword Java because Java is Oracle copyright. So this is our NPO to support Java community in Japan. So this is a purpose for founding the new NPO, but I don't explain details. So for Japanese Java communities, so what is this the impact for them? Previously, JJAG support these communities. So JJAG pay some the cost to these communities, but now, so CCCA support Zen, support communities, including JJAG. This gives stability and future growth for these communities. So this is the last part of my talk. So if do you want to speak JJAG? So anyone interested? Why? So there is a few people, so you can talk in Japan. And English session is possible, but I'm sorry, so Chinese is difficult. The event are not limited to Tokyo, but also we have the Osaka, Sapporo, Fukuoka, or some the other places because we have many community in Japan. And not only CCC, but also the other meetups. Japanese attendees are more very polite and focused to learning. So it's very good environment for speakers. But keep in mind, they are very shy. So there are few questions on Q&A session, but they always post in Twitter, not X, during sessions. So they use a computer or they use smartphone during their session, but this is interaction for them of them. The next CCC is on November 15th this year, and the following one, CCC Spring, on May 13th, of course, next year. And submit proposal is please submit if interested. So call for proposal for November. It's CFP already closed, but the next spring for spring, we have CFP on February next year. So why do you want you memo this date? February, okay? So next J Onsen, it's will be held around May 30th. It's you can join the both CCC and J Onsen. So you like onsen? You like the hot spring? So please join. And if you travel to Japan, not for CCC or J Onsen, so don't miss JJAG. Feel free to contact me. So I want to talk to Japanese communities. So we can attend. We can make the meetup with Japanese Java user group, Japanese Java communities. So contact me on Twitter or the JJAG account. So it's same. I check JJAG account. So I called this the conference driven travel. So it's conference. Bye bye to say bye bye to your company. This is a conference, but you can enjoy hot spring. So remind this date. Thank you very much.